Hi guys, Keely here. So I am so excited about today's video. I've been wanting to make a video like this for literally months. It's gonna be a thrifted home decor slash furniture haul, but I've wanted to make a video like this since before I even moved. I guess I say that, but you don't really know that I moved since I'm not very active on my channel, or I haven't been recently. But just to give a quick rundown, I lived in a house. It was like my first place after moving out of my mom's house. I moved home when COVID happened. I had already planned to live here for the summer because the place that I'm going to be moving into, I'm actually moving in 2 days as of when I'm filming this video. But the lease didn't start until August. Yeah, I had stuff then, but I have so much more stuff now and way more stuff that I'm even more excited about to show you. Yeah, anyways, without further ado, let's get started. There is one thing in this haul that is not thrifted that I bought at Target, but I wanted to show anyway because it kind of like solidifies the whole color scheme, you know? That's this pillow. I got it for my living room. It's like the perfect color scheme because I have a rug that I bought. It's a vintage like Turkish style rug that I bought off of my friend that I will insert a photo of. So I got this and it matches that rug perfectly. And then also I ended up thrifting some pillows after I found that one, and they're also just so perfect and I'm so excited about them. So we're just gonna jump right into the thrifted stuff now. So the next two pillows are just these two plain burnt orange pillows. I don't know exactly how much these were, but I do know that I bought these two things, a kitchen utensil holder that I'll just show you now since I'm talking about it. Yeah, so I got these two pillows and then this little kitchen utensil holder. This was $1.99, it has a sticker on it. So I got this, the two pillows, and a lamp over here for $6 total. Like, I couldn't believe it. This lamp was 99 cents. 99 cents. Insane. It's just this vintage, pretty plain like lamp. It's kind of like a minimalistic shape, but then it just has these stripes on it. It's got brown, like a light tan color, and then this, again, that same like burnt orange color. And then also I do have another pillow that I picked up that is back here. Oh, my notebook's on it. But this is another pillow. It's just this light blue. It's kind of like a gray blue, but it matches this pretty well. It's a little more dull, but that's okay. It still matches. We are in the same color family. So yeah, got this one for my couch. And speaking of my couch, I also thrifted that. And I am so excited. It's currently at my parents' house in their basement, but I'm just so excited about it. It was such a good find. I found this couch at one of my favorite thrift stores for home stuff. It's a thrift store dedicated just to furniture. So I don't know how they, oh, sir, hello. I found this couch that is just amazing. It's a vintage couch from the 70s, maybe 60s. I'm pretty sure it's from the 70s though. And it's this beautiful off-white color. I believe it was $140. The like texture on the fabric is just incredible. It is like, it's a 70s style couch without being like over the top 70s, except the pattern is like a very 70s geometric pattern, but it's all in the same off-white color. It's just like with texture and pattern. So it's like a subtle hint of like 70s, and I really love 70s decor, but I know it's not like everybody's cup of tea, and since I am living with roommates, I don't want to like, you know, go crazy with like the over-the-top 70s decor. Alright, anyways, moving on. I don't even know what to show you next because I have so much stuff. I think while we're on the topic of furniture, I'll just introduce the next furniture item. I can't show it to you because it's big and my phone is propped up on one of them right now, but I'm gonna insert pictures. I got a coffee table and side table set for $9 at Goodwill. And that's not $9 each, that's $9 total. Coffee table was $5 and the side table was $4. These, I already have like side tables and a coffee table for my living room. So these I'm planning to put in my bedroom. My boyfriend and I, actually our bedroom is gonna be the finished attic. So there's a lot of room up there. So naturally, you know, we've got to fill it up with something. So I think what we're gonna do is have obviously our bed. Part of it is gonna be made into a closet space. And then I was thinking I have, like I mentioned before, I have a small couch that's like a love seat sort of thing. So I'm planning on putting that up there. Okay, let's move on. I have so many little decor items. I'm just gonna try and go through them somewhat quickly because there's so much. First up, I have this basket. It's a giant basket. You can see in comparison to my head how big it is. And I have a large head also, so take that into consideration. But this was $6. I stopped at New Uses this morning because I was getting coffee and the coffee shop is right next to New Uses. So I was like, well, let me just stop in and see what I can find. And I found this basket, which I think is gonna be perfect for putting a large plant in. And then I also found this plant hanger. It's just like, oh, it's upside down. It's just your classic macrame plant hanger, you know? It's got two sides. Put your pot down in there. Let me demonstrate with this kitchen utensil holder. I probably put something like a little bit wider and shorter in there so it's not as awkward, but yeah, just a little macrame plant hanger, and this was $3. For my kitchen, I picked up this little, I just got very distracted because the top one is like not even. But I picked up this little like produce hanger. I don't know if that's what it's called, but it's just like 3 hanging baskets. You could really use it for like anything, not just produce, but that's what I bought it to use for, and I think that's pretty much what they're like typically used for, is food. Yeah, I got this to hang in my kitchen. I have like a regular wire basket that I was gonna use for, or actually that I used to use for fruit, but I thought this was just a lot cuter and also holds a lot more and is way more useful of the space because it's hanging. Okay, well I guess I'll show you some kitchen things while we're talking about my kitchen. Next up, I have this little tea jug, tea container thing. I don't know what to call it, but I just saw it at, I think I got it at Ohio Thrift, and I thought it was cute. I really liked the font on it. I'm gonna put tea in here. I don't know what else to say about this. It's a jug for your tea. You can put it down in there. It looks cute, very 70s. Like I said, I really like 70s decor. These are 2 little mugs that I picked up. They're just some really cute little vintage mugs. They kind of have like a similar thing going on to this container, like how it has the speckles on it. These ones are a lot more pronounced, but it's like a cream color with some brown speckles. It's also got brown around the top and on the handle. And then a little floral pattern. Love a good vintage mug. I'm a sucker for it. And made in Japan. That's kind of cool. Yeah, really cute. I forget how much these were, but probably not any more than like $2 a piece, probably less than that. Okay, next I picked up some glasses. These are just some short little glasses. I don't really know. I know different types of glasses have different names, but I don't know what these are called. I want to call them juice glasses, but I don't think that's correct. I think juice glasses are like tall ones. I don't know, it doesn't matter either way. But I picked up a set of these glasses. They're just kind of, I thought they were an interesting shape. I don't know if they're vintage or not, but the shape reminded me of something vintage, and I also just really like the color. This is a giant vase that I got. I picked this up like forever ago. I think I picked it up like, I don't know, it was like months ago. It's just this tall green vase. I like never used to buy vases at all unless they were like vases for flowers, and then I would just buy like the plainest clear ones that you could buy. But then I don't know why recently I just developed an appreciation for decorative vases, and yeah, I have this. I thought it'd be really cute. I want to put like some pampas grass in it. This was probably one of the most expensive things that I thrifted, and it was $6, other than furniture at least, but yeah, $6, but still really good for this, considering things like this sell for like, I mean, vintage ones, if they're like a name brand, like if they're like Blanco or Viking or something, can sell for like $100. So even if they're not like a name brand, they'll probably be like $50 or something. So $6 is still pretty good. Got a lot more green glassware that kind of matches this large one. I've got this large green vase. It's just pretty like plain when it comes to vintage glassware. Like I feel like it looks like a lot of other things do, just in like a green color. And I have this little one. This would be cute with like a singular like stem of something in it. It's kind of a similar texture to this one. Kind of looks like a ham, you know, like a Christmas ham. Or like my legs in fishnet tights. That's what that looks like. Next, I also have this one. Excuse me, sir, can you not chew on those? Thank you. Anyways, this one I thought was like a really unique shape. This one was 90 cents, this one was 90 cents, and this one was $1.91. Ooh, I literally completely forgot that I bought these. They've been in my closet for so long. I picked up these two like mug glass things. I feel like they're probably like, they might be like beer mugs or something, but I don't drink, so I'll use them for just whatever I want. Probably like an iced coffee. I think an iced coffee would be great out of one of these because it's like bigger than a regular coffee cup, where I could fit some ice in here but still have like a decent serving of coffee in here and have room for like cream and everything. So yeah, I picked up these two amber glass mugs and they were 90 cents a piece. All right, next up, I have this little candle holder. It's pretty simple. It's just like a 3-tier candle holder. I feel like you could find these like really often in thrift stores, or at least I've seen them a lot in thrift stores. I really like gold when it comes to decor. Like if there's gonna be any kind of metal in my decorating, I prefer it to be gold. I know the produce thing was silver, but that's kind of the only color those come in, so I'm okay with that. But yeah, I also have candles here. I didn't thrift these, but they were just like in the basket. I think I took these from my mom because she has a bunch of these. They have the plastic on them, so it's hard to get them to stand straight, but this is what that looks like. Okay, next up, this was a really cute find. One of the few items that's not vintage, but it's just this little plate tray sort of thing, like a little decorative plate. I think this was really cute. Monstera is one of my favorite plants. I have a couple myself. The stem broke off like as soon as I got this home, but I still have the piece and I just need to glue it back on. But yeah, this was also $4, one of the more expensive items, but like I said, it was $4, so is it really that expensive? Next up, I have a basket. I don't have like a particular use in mind for this one yet, but I have like another similar one to this that's like just a bit smaller that I put a plant in, so I'll probably do something along those lines with it, or I don't know, put literally anything I want in it. I really like baskets in my decor. I think they're cute, and I like rattan and baskets in like this natural color. This one was $2.92 also, so basically $3. Okay, next up, I've got some things that I picked up today. I've got a lot more like decorative items in this one, more like not vases, but I guess like planters, and like I think I might have one vase, but stuff like that. I have this one. It's just, again, like I really obviously like this dark green color. This one I just thought was cool, and I believe it is vintage. It has a mark on the bottom that says Hager, and then has this little sticker. And can you see that? I don't even know, kind of. But the type on here makes me think it's definitely vintage, as well as like this glaze you see a lot, and like especially like vintage ashtrays, which is a specific thing, but that's like a big collectible that people like when it comes to vintage stuff. I hope none of these broke, because I could hear them rolling around when I was driving, because I had them sitting in this thing and then some of them fell out. So let's hope that they're all in good shape. This, I don't even really know what to call this. Is it a vase? Is it a planter? Is it, I don't know, just a container? Who knows? But I thought this was just really unique. I don't know, I thought it would look cool with some plants or something, or like, you know, some faux stems of some kind in here. And it's pretty neutral, so it can kind of match with anything, but I really liked how unique the shape was. Oh, and this one was $1.91, and I don't know how much this one was, actually. Oh, I found it. This one was $5, actually, which I don't think I realized. All right, next up we have another planter. Again, this one doesn't have a hole drilled in it, but I'm almost positive this is a planter. Because what else would it be? It's just a terracotta material and it has this cool like texture. Did I say it was $1.91? I don't know. I've been talking for nearly 40 minutes. All right, next up, guess what we've got? Another piece of green glassware. I think after this I can say that I have enough green glassware pieces because just right here in front of me I have 5, 6 if you count this one. This one's like more of a mossy green than like a bright green, and it was 90 cents. Again, like all of this stuff I can either put like flowers in it or just use it as decor or do whatever with. All right, next up, I actually have some art that I found. They're just 2 prints. They're kind of random, but I really wanted some wall art. I kind of wanted to do like a small gallery wall in my dining room. So I picked these up. They're just these 2. I thought they were really pretty. Sorry about the glare on the plastic, but they're like watercolor prints of some artist, R.E. Kennedy, I guess. I don't know, but they're really gorgeous. And they're both places in the Key West. There's this one, and I really love the colors on this one especially. This is the one that caught my eye. And then also this one. Oh, sorry about the glare again. But this one, like, I like the colors a little bit less in it, but I still think it looks really pretty with this one, and I think it'll look really pretty on a gallery wall. Oh, those pieces of art were 90 cents each. All right, now that I've been talking for 8 years, I have my last piece that I found. And that is this guy. I was really pumped to find this. It's a magazine and or record rack. I have something actually kind of similar to this in a lighter color wood, but I liked that this was like the darker color. And when I was at my storage unit the other day, it looked like the one that I have might have broken. Like while it's been in storage, like if something was sitting on it, it might have broken. So either way, I have one, at least one. I think this one's really cool that's like stained a darker color because like I mentioned, my floors and trim are a darker wood color, so it'll kind of tie that back in since most of my decor is kind of on the lighter side. And this was $3.93, so $4 pretty much. All right, so if you sat through this whole video, shout out to you because it was a long one. But I am so happy with everything that I picked up. I think my house, like, even though I haven't moved, it's like really coming together in my mind. So I'm really excited about that. My last place, I didn't really have like any kind of idea of how I wanted to decorate. I like barely had any furniture when we moved in. It took us like months to even get like a couch, and like I bought it. If you guys want to see any more like decorating related videos, please let me know. If you want to see any more like house tours, room makeover videos, anything like that, please let me know because I would be more than happy to do them, or any more like home decor thrift hauls like this. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm hoping to be way more active on my channel now. I have so much more time, and like I have a lot more passion for video making now. I feel like I kind of like lost it for a minute, but now I'm like really excited about making videos again. Not that I ever like didn't want to make videos, but now I'm just like, I have so many ideas, I'm like ready to go. So yeah, hopefully you'll see me a lot more on my channel. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!